want to give the center and radius of the circle, which means we want to get it in standard form. To do that, we're going to have to complete the square twice for the x's and the y's. So I'm going to group the x squared with the 4x, leaving space for the third term there, and group the y squared with the y term, leaving a little space for the third term there. I'm going to add the 3 to the other side. Because to complete the square, I take half the middle term. In this case, that's half of the 4 is 2, and I square it. Half of this middle term, half of -6 is -3, and I square it. But that means I have to add the 2 squared and the -3 squared to the other side as well to maintain the balance. But what that allows me to do now is factor. This will be x plus 2 times x plus 2, which is x plus 2 quantity squared. This will be y minus 3 times y minus 3, which is y minus 3 quantity squared, by completing the square with each of these. That will equal 3 plus 4 plus 9, which is 16. What we want to do is put this in the standard form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, so that we can read off the center as hk, and the radius will be r. So looking back at our equation, we want x minus something. Well, to make it plus 2, it would have to be minus a -2 squared. The y is already subtraction, so we can leave that one. And 16 is 4 squared. So that now we're able to read off the center as the -2, 3, which are the two numbers we're subtracting from the x and the y, and read off the radius as the square root of 4 squared, which is already written that way, so the radius is 4.